Hi everyone, it's Janet Parks from Janet's Personalized Solutions for Sellers, and I'm going to show you a really fun booking game that I use to help me book multiple parties at once. And it's super easy and it involves gift bags. Stay tuned. Hi ladies, I'm really excited to show you this game because it is super helpful if you have a dry calendar and you're just looking to get your calendar full and booked in a short amount of time. And this one game has helped me book anywhere from 5 to 10 parties at once. So hopefully it helps you as well. So what you're gonna need, it's really simple. You just need some gift bags, which you can pick up at Dollar Tree. I think they come like 3 to a pack for $1. Or you can go to your local Winn-Dixie store if you have one, and they sell these particular ones for 50 cents. And some of the little tissue paper that you can get on the inside as well. You'll need a glue stick, something to write with so you can write down your numbers so you can number the gift bags. And you will need to figure out what kind of prizes you're going to be giving out. So with the gift bag booking game, it's super simple. Basically what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be giving out prizes for bookings. So for me, I'm a 31 consultant, so I usually have a lot of leftover products, whether it's Hostess goodie bags or it's things that I've won or earned, or I just ended up with an overstock of products that I know that I'll never use. So I decided to use those products. Instead of them collecting dust in my closet, I decided to use them as prizes. So I would normally do for the booking game, I would do anywhere from 5 to maybe 10 gift bags. And I would take the gift bags and I would take tape or super glue and cut out a piece of paper, number them, and that way it looks kind of like this. Or if you wanted to make it look a little nicer, maybe you can go on a Word document on your computer and type out your numbers so that it looks a little bit more pleasant looking for your guests online. So I have 5 behind me so you can kind of see what they look like. And what I do is I write down the prize. Once I've chosen the prizes that I want to give away, I write down the prizes and I toss them in the bags. And then I focus mainly on hyping this event up. So in my VIP group or in my party, I would start off by making a post showing a picture of all of the items that I'm giving away, all together in one picture, and I would say something like this: ladies, I'm giving away some free products tonight. What are you excited to win? And so I have all the items in that picture, and then I post that early in the morning. And then throughout the day, I post individual pictures of those prizes. So if I have 5 or 6 items in that one picture, I take them aside and I post individual pictures multiple times a day. And then basically I wait for people to interact. I usually tag anywhere from 15 to maybe 30 people that I know look at my content, that comment often, or I've spoken to and I've already built that relationship with, just to give them the heads up like, hey girl, look what I'm doing. I'm giving away some prizes. Don't miss out on this. So as I start posting individual pictures throughout the day, I normally get comments like, what do we have to do? How do I enter? How do I win this? I don't usually say any details until the actual event. The only thing that I respond with is, in order for you to have an opportunity to win this prize, you have to show up to my live event tonight at whatever time. So make sure that initial post where you have a picture of all the prizes that you're giving away and you ask that question, so what would you guys like to win? Or what are you guys most excited to win? I would post the date and the time that you plan on going live so that you give these ladies a heads up of when you plan on going live so that they can attend, so they have an equal opportunity to win. So after you make all of your posts for the day and you show off the products and you get all the comments of people asking questions about it, again, make sure you tag everyone so that they get an opportunity to see it. When you actually show up to your live event, make sure you tag those people again when you go live. And basically what you want to do is you want to start off by welcoming your guests, and you want to talk maybe 1 to 2 minutes about the special. Make sure everyone's aware of the special. And then you want to spend maybe 3 minutes talking about hosting and how much fun it is to host, and the different ways that you can party, whether it's a catalog party, an in-home party, or an online party. Then after you talk up hosting, you want to talk a little bit about the gifts. Maybe if you have them with you handy, start showing them off. Don't spend any more than 2 to 3 minutes talking about the products, and talk about how excited you are to give away these products. So after you have everyone excited, after showing off the products live so they can kind of see and ask questions about what you're giving away, at this point you want to make sure that you make it clear if you want to have an opportunity to win these gift bags, you have to book a party. So there's different ways that you can introduce that comment, okay, that requirement. So one way that you can do it is you can make it a trivia gift bag booking game. And I've done that before in the past, where you can come up with anywhere from 5 to 10 questions. It really just depends on who shows up to your live event and how many. And whoever answers the question that you ask first gets to pick the first bag. So for example, you can ask questions like, what is the monthly special? And then whoever answers correctly first, they get to choose the first bag. Of course, you want to celebrate it. Congratulations, you won. Which bag would you like to pick first? So you can do it that way. Or you can ask the ladies that start showing up after you talk about the special, and after you talk about how much fun hosting is, and after you show off the products that you're giving away. You can say something like, the first person to give me a date of when they would like to book a party with me gets to choose the first bag. It could be as simple as that. I like to do the trivia game because I like to make it exciting, and it kind of makes them feel like they earned the prize, rather than have them come on and just type down a date. So it's totally up to you how you do it, but make sure you're very clear as you're talking up the products. After you talk up the products, that they have to book a party or an event with you so that they can earn the gift itself. So I usually say something like this after I talk about the products, just to give you kind of an example of how you can word it to your guests. Ladies, I'm so excited that you guys are excited about these gifts. I can't wait to give them out. So in order to win these gifts, as you can see, the gift bags are right behind me. In order to win these gifts, you have to book a party with me, and it has to qualify. So that's super easy. All you have to do is book an event, invite your guests. I'll walk you through the whole process, and as soon as your party hits $200 in sales, by the way, you can choose whatever qualifier you want. As soon as your party hits that qualifying amount, you get this gift shipped to you automatically. How's that sound? So just to kind of recap that, I was excited the whole time. I was smiling, and I made sure that I made that message super clear before I started my trivia game or before I had anyone type down any date, okay? Now, it's very, very important that your energy is high, because you don't want people to start pouring in and you're just kind of sitting there dull talking about the gifts, because if you're not excited, they won't be excited. They want to be able to see, these people need to be able to see that partying with you is fun, and you need to make them want to party with you. So make sure you're fun, make sure you're bubbly, make sure you're smiling, Make sure that you're showing off those prizes, and make sure that you're confident when you're talking about the qualifying party part. When you actually have to come out after talking about the products, when you have to come out and say you have to book a party. Don't sound questionable, don't sound unsure of yourself. Make sure you're just confident about it, and just let ladies know, hey, you're gonna win this really fun free product just for booking a party. So who's excited? Who wants to win a product? That's usually going to be my next comment after I let everyone know what they have to do to win. You have to book a party, and then I usually say, who wants to win what? Who wants the large utility tote? Who wants the All About the Benjamins wallet? Who wants whichever product that you're giving away? Make sure you ask those questions and get people talking in the chat while they're there and while they're live. So I hope that was helpful, ladies. Once again, it's super simple and super easy to do. Just make sure that you're very clear in the instructions and very clear about the part that they have to book a party. Don't spend too much time talking about it. Just spend anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute talking about the fact that they have to book a party in order to earn this gift. But just make it super fun and make it simple, and I hope this really does help you. If you have any additional questions about the gift bag booking game, make sure you comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified anytime that I go live or post a new video. I hope you ladies have a good day, and if you tried this, comment below and let me know how it went for you. I want to know. Have a good day.